Did you know that email marketing is more successful than social media? An email marketing platform is the most effective way to turn prospect into customer or buyer. If you want to have email for your email marketing, find, extract and collect unlimited targeted email address with your Android phone. Today I am going to share with you step-by-step way to extract thousands of emails from Google with your Android phone. You will get unlimited targeted email address for your email list database. So please watch this video to the end to get all details to get your business to the top level and get more successful with your business. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So let's get started. So first you need to install apps on your Android phone to extract emails. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Search for Email Extractor. Check for this app or anyone that's compatible to extract email from any content or text. This one is the best one. Install Email Extractor, then open Google Search on your Android phone. So first of all, you can type what your category, location and email client. Once you do that, click for search. So all you get the search result. If you want to setting, is not necessary. You can do the search setting and 200. Once done, save. Click I'm not Robert and your search right here. Copy all the text. Once you got all the text, harvest from your search, paste right on your apps you have installed on your phone, and then click to extract email. Once you extract all the emails, then export to the Excel file. Once you get all the email in your Excel file, then you can use those email for any purpose you want. And that's it for today, and enjoy all your email database. And thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.